Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick ramen noodles. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a ramen packet, a pot, and about 2 cups of water. Think about any extra toppings you might want, like a soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a dash of chili oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Once your water is ready, bring it to a rolling boil in your pot. Carefully place the ramen noodles into the boiling water. Be sure to separate them gently with chopsticks or a fork to ensure even cooking. Let them cook for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until they reach your desired tenderness. This short cooking time is key for quick preparation. After the noodles are cooked, remove the pot from the heat. This is crucial to prevent overcooking and to properly incorporate the flavor. Stir in the seasoning packet thoroughly until it's fully dissolved. Now's the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, like a perfectly cooked egg or some fresh vegetables. Let it sit for just 1 minute to let those flavors truly meld. Finally, carefully pour your hot, flavorful ramen into your favorite serving bowl. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, a few drops of chili oil, or a fresh sprig of cilantro. Take a moment to appreciate your culinary creation. You've just prepared a delicious and satisfying meal in minutes. Enjoy every slurp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.